In this video, I will show you how to create and scan QR codes in Google Maps. Generate QR code for your location. First of all, open any browser and search Google Maps. The Google Maps will open. Now in a new tab, open Canva. It is a graphic design tool. I am using it. You can use any other tool as well. So in Canvas's dashboard, click on Create a Design option at the top right corner. A menu will appear. Click on the Custom Size option available at the bottom left of the menu. Here, you can customize the size. Enter 1080 by 1080 height and width for QR code design. Then tap on Create New Design. On the next screen, you will see a white box of 1080 by 1080 size. And at the left side, there are various options to select from. Scroll down here and click on Apps. Then a search bar will appear. Type QR code in it. You will see different results. Click on QR code from top left corner of the bar. On the next screen, tap on Open. You will see a URL field. Here you have to paste the URL of the location you want. For that, go to the Google Maps from the previous tab. Click on the location you want to select. Its details will be shown at the left side. Click on the Share option. You will see this URL here. Copy it, and go back to Canva editing page from where we left earlier. Paste that link here, and click on Generate Code. Now at the right side, you will see that the link has been generated. Resize it to fit in the box completely. After that, click on the Share button at the top right corner. Then scroll down on this menu and click on Download option. Select the file type as PNG and click on Download. Now click on the option, click here, and this window will open. Here again, click on Download, click on Skip, and after the loading completes, click on it to view it. And here you can see your QR code saved in your device. Now you can scan it or use it anywhere you want.